nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. I don't need sleep past 1 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel strong again. We don't just join.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be installing this unit that you see me wearing now, and I'm also gonna be applying it using the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond Lace Melting Spray. So if you guys want to see how I installed this unit, how I styled it, and my thoughts on this spray, then just keep on watching. This is the wig I am about to brush out before I install it. It has been left inside of the packet, which is the reason why you can see it's turned over on the ends. But we're gonna style it together and we're gonna test out the Ebin spray to see how good it is. But you guys can watch me get this wig together, okay? I'm gonna work my little magic on it, you know? This is what the inside of the wig looks like. It's only a small space because it is a closure wig. We are gonna get this wig together and install it and see how it looks when I'm done. This is the spray that we will be testing out today, which is the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond Lace Melt Spray. I picked it up in the Extreme Firm Hold, which is the one that I'm gonna be testing out today. So let's do that and let's see how it turns out. As you can see, I am starting off with just the wig cap on my head. This is actually an invisible wig cap. I prefer to use these wig caps than those typical wig caps that come in the pack with the wigs. I just prefer it because it makes it easier when I'm laying down my wig. But in this case, I'm not really gonna need the whole perimeter, so I'm not gonna spray it down or anything like that. I'm just gonna push it back slightly and yeah. Ooh. And then I dropped my wig. We're gonna see what it looks like in the end. Wait, but maybe I'm gonna have to spray it down because why it look like that? I don't like that. All right, let's see. Oh, okay. I don't know how I felt about this wig on me just yet because obviously it's not installed and I am not too sure yet. We're gonna see once I install it what it looks like. I don't know if it's giving granny vibes or it's just me. Let's not judge too soon. I'm gonna see now. So as I did mention in the intro, I'm gonna be using the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond Lace Melt Spray, and this is the Extreme Firm Hold. It says it's supposed to have vitamin E and silk proteins in it. They claim it has a secure hold, no residue or build-up, protects edges, and it's sweat proof. I'm not the person to do the sweat proof test because I actually don't sweat and I don't sweat on my head either, so I am not the person to ask about sweating, okay? My wig's gonna stay whether I'm out on an island in the sun or I'm in the UK. I don't have that issue, but the rest of it we're gonna see. I don't know if I'm supposed to shake this or not, but maybe I should read the instructions. Let me read them. Directions. Where's directions? Or to work most effectively, apply in sections, spray along the hairline, apply the lace and allow it to dry over blow dryer or fan on a coolest setting. Repeat as needed. Finally, for best results, tie it down for 15 to 20 minutes. We're gonna spray this on my hairline and see. And I'm a lace glue type of lady. I like lace glues because for me, I feel like they look more seamless, you know? I can't smell anything yet. Let me try. Oh my gosh. Guys, I did not expect that. Anyways. This smells good. Let me clean my hands. I got my little hair towel that I use when I'm doing my wigs and stuff. Let me put another spray actually. See, this is why I don't like sprays, because I don't like when they start draining in your face and all that. And this better protect my edges because I don't want to lose my edges. I'm not losing my edges. Guys. Guys, it really held the wig down. No, there's no way. There's actually no way. Wait, let me find out that I won't be using lace glue anymore. Pin this back. I'm gonna trim off the lace now. And you know what I forgot to do, guys? I forgot to apply my foundation underneath and put it on the lace, but you know, it is what it is. I haven't bleached the knots on this unit yet, which is what I want to do because I can definitely see the knots, so I'm gonna bleach them. We're gonna cut the lace off. First impressions, I love how fast this dries, and I really like that you don't have to spray so much and do so many layers in order for it to stay down. I'm gonna tie it down now like what they said. I'm gonna use my melt band. I'm gonna tie it down like they recommended. I'm gonna style the unit while we wait for it to melt. While we have the melt band on, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the wig. Yeah, I'm gonna straighten it and start styling it. Wait, let me get my straightener. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of heat protectant on. I don't know if there's anything actually left in this, but no, this needs to go in the trash again. I'm gonna spray a little bit of heat protectant spray on, just a little bit. I don't want too much. This is my first time actually having a straight bob wig. I have had a curly short wig, but I've never had a wig this short before. I don't know how I feel about this really short hair on me because my natural hair is longer than this. I'm gonna withhold my judgments until when the wig is done. I think it's starting to come together. I think I'm gonna love it, you guys. Guys, right now I cannot tell if I'm looking like someone's granny or someone's fine babe. I cannot tell, but we soon find out. Alright, so I finished straightening it. I'm gonna start applying my wax stick and the hot comb. So as I'm just brushing out the pieces that go stuck to the front of the wig. I'm gonna do a little bit of baby hair, not too much. But once I bleach the knots on this unit, I feel like it's gonna look really nice. It's just because I haven't bleached them. So guys, I'm back. I'm about to do my middle part and I'm just getting a little bit of concealer. I always get my brush and kind of like brush it through a little bit to soften it. But you guys gonna see what I do anyway. I think I want to turn over the ends, so that's what I'm about to do now. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. You lot see that? Yeah. Guys, I found this style now. I knew something was throwing it off. I didn't know what it was, but I figured it out. You lot see that now? Oh my gosh, it took the hair from like, what do you call it, like a 7 to a 9. Let me do this side a bit more. Yeah, I like this now. Now I like this. So guys, what do you think of the final look? I am literally obsessed with this now. You guys know before I was in two minds about how the hair was looking on me, but actually now that I've styled it and everything and I've, you know, added my own little touches to the hair, I'm really loving it. I don't know, I'm just playing around with the hair to decide how I want to keep it, but I think I'm happy with it now. Yeah. This is the finished look. I am so obsessed with the final look and how I styled the unit. This is different for me because I've never actually had such a short wig before. I've never had a short bob wig and I feel like this just turned out so nice. I'm not used to short hair on me because I not even like my natural hair is not this short, so it's like, I don't know, it's exciting in a way to see me with a different type of hair, and it's also kind of scary because I usually typically go for longer wigs or mid-length, something about here, but this is new to me. This is different. And also the color as well. I've not done a colored wig in so long. How ironic, because you can literally see me with a colored wig in the background, but I've not done a colored wig in so long. And yeah, I'm just getting back into, you know, my element, getting back into me and trying new things again. This is exciting. I really like this salt and pepper look. It's like two different sides, you know. I feel like I got two different faces now. Like, look at this side. So my final thoughts on the Ebin Wonderlace Bond Lace Melt Spray is that I really like it. I love how convenient this is. You don't have to take up so much time when you're applying it. You know, usually typically with lace glues you have to put a layer, then wait for it to dry, and then put a second layer, and then wait for it to dry and apply it. But with this, it literally dried within about, I want to say, 20 seconds. It dried. You guys saw from the clips when I sprayed it down, and then I just put the hair dryer on like literally less than 15 seconds, and it was tacky enough for me to put the lace down. So I really love how convenient it is, and I definitely feel like this is for those days when you don't have a lot of time and you're in a rush, you're going to work, you got kids, you want to go shopping, you need to pick out this, you need to get that, you know. I feel like it's for that, and I definitely will be using this more. And I have not noticed any itching or anything like that with my hair. Usually when I put something on my skin and my skin doesn't agree with it, I start getting that like irritated feeling, kind of feels like it's itching, like the glue that I used in my previous video that I was telling you guys about that gave me an allergy reaction. Yeah, this does not do that. But anyway, this is what I typically use. I usually use the Wonderlace Bond Spray, but I definitely feel like I'm going to be leaning more towards this one because of how convenient and quick it is compared to this one, where I feel like with me and sprays just, I hate how they drain. Like when you spray them, they just, I don't know how to explain it. It's just with a spritz, as they said, work in sections. I feel like I could spray this on a brush and apply onto my skin and it'll be fine. Whereas with this, I feel like it's a bit sticky. It's more sticky and you have to be like more careful with it. Whereas this one, you guys saw when I sprayed it and I applied it to the lace even on top, it didn't leave any type of white residue or anything like that, which I'm very appreciative for that, you know. You guys are definitely gonna see me use this more. But yeah, I really like this, you guys. I'm a big fan of this. I'm definitely gonna be using this in my upcoming hair videos. And now I really want to try their lace glue and see if it's any good, because I've never tried it, and I've never tried any other the colored bottles in Ebin line. I've only ever used the black one, so I don't know what the others are like. If you guys have tried it, you can let me know in the comment section below. Which one is your favorite Ebin spray to use? What's your favorite item out of their line? Let me know if the lace glue is any good, and if you'd like to see me test it out in a future video, I'll be happy to do that. Let me know what your thoughts are on this unit. I'll leave all the information in the description box below. And yeah, I'm just so excited because I feel very brand new, you know. I feel like a new babe. I feel like a new babe. That is all for today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. The hair's gone off. I don't like that. I don't like that for me.